This is a quick video showing a timeline in LSX that's going to control my Lumia projector here. I can quickly step through some of these. The first event that I'll drag to is the Poly 20. From there it picks up a secondary event with a color chase, the blue line. Continuing down, it goes beam chase by 10 speed, and that adds a color chase to the beam right there. Then I go into the big Lumia wheel, and it provides a large Lumia, a color chase in there, followed by the small Lumia wheel. Then the individual colors of modulation are red. Then I go into the torture tube, which isn't there, so it's just a dot on the wall, but you'll see I'll modulate that green. And then I'll go into the Machida line grading, which it's hard to see them all there, but they're there. And then I'll go into blue only on that. Out of there I'll come back to the full Machida. Then I'll hit the Poly 20 spinning, followed by the Poly 20 straight without the spin, followed by a standard speed beam chase, not a 10 by beam chase. And that's all controlled by LSX. At the same time any of this is going, I can bang away at the bang box too and just change the colors or do whatever. There's green, red only, blue. So the two will interact together. An override, there's not really an override, but you can get stuck in an unsteady state if you fire up the wrong things, but it's pretty neat. Pretty happy to see it. I can turn in a ×10 with the bang box, and that's modulating color so fast now the camera can't even pick it up. But there it's slowing back down. I can click in beam chase, which does nothing because LSX is calling it to the top row, so you can see it trying to do a chase there, but nothing's going to happen because LSX has control of the beam deflection to the upper table. So that was just a brief run through showing how I have LSX control the table to live shows, well not live shows, but shows playing back from ADAT, which will be controlling the LSX timeline. The LSX timeline will be slave to ADAT time on the HD24.